Have you ever heard of AI images? This revolutionary technology is changing the game in many industries and creating tremendous earning opportunities for those who know how to leverage it. In this video, we'll explore the world of AI images and show you how to start making big money using it.
Have you heard about Animal AI? It's the fantastic AI tool that allows you to turn your photos into portraits of animals created by artificial intelligence. It's an enjoyable and unique way to showcase your images. So the process is pretty simple. First, you get to choose from 40 different styles of animals, including popular options like cats, dogs, tigers, and unicorns, just to name a few. And if you're feeling adventurous, you could even choose the Grinch. Once you've selected, you upload 10-20 images to train the AI. These images should include a mix of close-ups, medium shots, and full shots taken in different lighting conditions and with different facial expressions to get the best results. And the best part? Within 24 hours, you'll receive 120 HD quality animal portraits via email. You can share the link with your friends and family or keep it as a fun surprise. Plus, Animal AI donates all of its profits to reputable wildlife groups, so you're not only getting a fun experience, but also supporting a good cause. When uploading your photos, ensure they are more significant than 512 on 512 pixels and feature only one person. And to avoid any issues, be sure to steer clear of pictures that are nude, black and white, or taken without consent. And keep in mind that the AI-generated portraits may be unpredictable, so no refunds are offered. Animal AI is not only an entertaining tool, but it's also a great way to showcase your creativity and imagination. Imagine having a portrait of yourself as a tiger or unicorn. How cool would that be? The possibilities are truly endless. Another great thing about Animal AI is that you don't need to be an AI or computer science expert to use it. The user interface is simple and intuitive, and the process of uploading photos and receiving your portraits is straightforward. And if you do encounter any issues, the customer support team is always available to help. And as technology advances, the AI used by Animal AI is constantly improving, ensuring that the results you receive will only get better and better. So whether you're looking for a fun way to showcase your photos or simply looking for a unique and creative way to express yourself, Animal AI is the perfect tool for you. So if you're looking for a fun and unique way to showcase your photos, head to Animal AI and try it out. All you need to do is agree to the terms of use and then upload your pictures via WeTransfer, Google Drive, Dropbox, or any other similar service. And with just a one-time payment, you'll be on your way to creating your own animal portraits. Epic Avatar is a company that revolutionizes how people think about profile images. With its advanced artificial intelligence technology, Epic Avatar allows users to create their very own AI avatars from their photos. This is not just any ordinary avatar, but an AI-powered representation of yourself that is unique and unlike anything you've seen before. The process is simple and user-friendly. All you need to do is upload 15-20 photos of yourself, taken from different angles and without sunglasses, and Epic Avatar's AI algorithms will do the rest. These photos will be used to train the AI model and create up to 200 avatars that are based on your facial and body features, personal preferences, and other elements in the photos. The waiting time is around 24 hours, and once the process is completed, you will receive an email with a link to download your avatars. With these avatars, you can have fun and play around with your online presence. You can use them to personalize your social media profiles, prank your friends, or even use them as profile images in multiplayer games. The resulting avatars are not just your typical profile images. They are an expression of your individuality as interpreted by the AI, and they can be as quirky, funny, and weird as they come. Some users might even find that their avatars look nothing like them, but that's all part of the fun. It's like taking a peek into the mind of the AI and seeing how it interprets your personality. Epic Avatar offers a money-back guarantee for users who are not satisfied with the results, but most people find that the avatars are genuinely one of a kind. The company also provides tutorials and answers to frequently asked questions on its website to help users get the most out of the tool. The avatars created by Epic Avatar are not just for personal use. They can be used to personalize your social media profiles, to prank your friends, or as profile images in multiplayer games. The sky's the limit when it comes to using these avatars. David Grahovy and Václav Poplušek are the co-founders of Epic Avatar, and they are based in Brno, Czech Republic. The company uses Prime Hammer technology and can be contacted via email or Instagram. Currently, there is no affiliate program in place, but the company is considering implementing one. In conclusion, Epic Avatar is a fascinating AI and graphics technology experiment. It offers users a chance to see themselves in a whole new light and to explore the limits of what is possible with AI. Whether you're looking for a fun new profile image or simply curious about the capabilities of AI, Epic Avatar is the perfect tool for you. So why not try it and join the future of profile images today? Introducing Partly, a magical app that can take boring old portrait photos and turn them into over 200 stunning, unique works of art with the help of artificial intelligence. It's like having a personal assistant at your fingertips, creating custom art just for you. All you need to do is upload 10 to 50 of your favorite photos and Partly will do the rest. It technologically takes your pictures and runs them through a series of machine learning and AI models to create a diverse set of customized art pieces that are unique to you. The results are truly breathtaking and perfect for sprucing up your home or giving as an individual and thoughtful gift. Right now, Partly offers a special introductory price of only $29. Usually $49. This limited time deal is only available until the end of February 2023, so don't wait to take advantage of this fantastic opportunity. Transform your photos into incredible works of art and add fun and creativity to your life with Partly. Other thing that sets Partly apart from other photo editing apps is that it's not just a filter. The app uses artificial intelligence to interpret your photos and generate new pixels from scratch, like an artist painting a masterpiece just for you. The results are truly stunning, and you'll be amazed at the creativity and diversity of the art pieces produced by the app. Partly uses top-of-the-line video cards to ensure fast and reliable delivery. Your order should be delivered within 30 to 60 minutes, and you can check the estimated delivery time on the order page for a more accurate estimate. The app also offers customized packages for those who want to commission artwork to their specific preferences. Finally, Partly is a secure platform, and a comprehensive privacy policy and terms of use protect your data. The company takes your privacy seriously and is committed to handling your data with the utmost care and following all industry standards. Once your order is complete, your photos and AI model will be automatically deleted, and the resulting image will be available within 2 weeks for your convenience. So what are you waiting for? Give Partly a try today and experience the magic of AI-generated art. Have you heard about Pictodream.com? It's an AI-powered tool that lets you turn yourself into a personalized digital image or even create an image of someone else. All you have to do is upload 10 to 20 photos of yourself or the person you want to create an image of. The AI will do the rest. The generated images are pretty cool. They can be used as your profile pictures, printed on canvas, or given as gifts to your loved ones. And the best part is that it's super simple to use. Just follow the steps and let the AI do its magic. The training process can take up a few hours, so you can relax, grab a coffee or go for a walk, and when it's done, you'll receive an email notification. Then you can get creative and create the most stunning images of yourself using the site's gallery of tips for inspiration. I know you're concerned about privacy, and so is Pictodream.com. They understand the importance of keeping your personal information secure, and that's why all the photos you upload are deleted from the server after 1 month. The site includes detailed information about privacy policies and terms of service, and if you have any questions, the contact information is readily available. The AI technology behind Pictodream.com is genuinely cutting edge. It uses deep learning algorithms to analyze the photos you upload and generate a digital image that resembles you or the person you're trying to create an image of. The generated image is so realistic, it will blow your mind. You'll be able to see how you would look with different hairstyles, outfits, and even accessories. It's like a virtual try-on without having to try anything on physically. But that's not all. The possibilities are endless with Pictodream.com. You can use the generated image as your new profile on your social media platforms and watch as your friends and followers react in awe. Or you can print the image on canvas and hang it on your walls. It's a unique and personalized piece of art that will brighten up any room. Another great thing about Pictodream.com is that it's a fantastic gift option. Imagine giving your friend or loved one a beautiful digital image of themselves printed on canvas. It's a thoughtful and personal gift that they'll treasure forever. So go ahead and try Pictodream.com. It's a fun, light-hearted way to play with your imagination and see yourself in a new light. I guarantee you'll have a blast. If you're tired of trying on endless suits in the store and want to see how you'd look without the hassle, Suit Me Up has got you covered. It's an AI-based tool that uses machine learning algorithms to create ultra-realistic pictures of you wearing a suit. And the best part, you don't even have to leave your house. Getting started is a breeze. Just upload 10 to 20 classic photos of yourself in PNG or JPG format and let the AI work the magic. And when we say classic, we mean it. You'll want to include close-ups, full-length shots, and everything in between for the best results. Once you've uploaded your photos, the AI works, generating 80 stunning pictures of you in a suit. And it only takes 25 to 45 minutes. The pictures you get can be used for any purpose, including your resume or Tinder profile. You'll be amazed at how realistic the pictures look. It's like you're actually wearing the suit. And if you're worried about privacy, don't be. The images you upload, the AI model, and the generated pictures are all deleted after 30 days. Suit Me Up was created by a French solopreneur, Alex, who used Austria, Firebase, Vue.js, and Bulma to bring the project to life. It's always great to support individual entrepreneurs, and Alex is no exception. You can find him on Twitter in English and LinkedIn in French, and his email address is available through the website. And the best part? Using the discount code SUITUP, you'll get 30% off the already low price of $19. That's a steal for 80 unique pictures of you looking like a dapper gentleman. If you still need convincing, let's talk about how customizable the whole process is. You can choose from various suit styles, from classic to modern, and even different colors to see which looks best on you. It's great to experiment with your style without committing to a purchase. Plus, you can use the generated pictures to see which type suits you best before investing in an actual suit. The generated pictures are also for great flexibility. You can use them for your LinkedIn profile, business cards, and your personal website. If you're an actor or model, you can use the generated pictures as part of your portfolio, showcasing your range in different suit styles. The possibilities are endless. But what if you're not looking for a suit? The good news is that Alex is already working on expanding the range of clothes you can try with the AI-based tools. So whether you're interested in seeing how you'd look in a tuxedo or a dress, you can do so soon. And who knows, you can mix and match different clothing items to create your unique style. And if you're worried about the AI-generated pictures looking fake or unrealistic, you can rest easy. The AI is trained on a large data set of human images and is constantly improving thanks to machine learning algorithms. The pictures it generates are ultra-realistic, down to folds in the fabric and the texture of the suit material. You'll be amazed at how authentic you look in the pictures. So why not give Suit Me Up a try? It's a fun and easy way to see how you'd look in a suit without the hassle of actually trying one on. Who knows, you might even find your perfect match on Tinder with your new and improved profile picture. So upload your photos, sit back and let the AI do the work.